Welcome. In this course, we will learn how to build real world web applications using ASP.NET Web Forms and SQL Server. By the end, you will be able to design pages, connect it to databases, and create full projects step by step. ASP.NET is a Microsoft's web framework for building dynamic websites and web applications. It uses C Sharp or VB.NET to process user input, connect it to databases, and generate HTML output dynamically. Many companies still run powerful applications on web forms. It's visual, easy to design, and perfect for quickly building data driven business systems like employee or billing management. To start, install Visual Studio 2019 or 2022 and SQL Server Express. These two tools are all you need for development and database connectivity. Let us create our first project. Open Visual Studio, choose a new ASP.NET web application, select the web forms template and click Create. Visual Studio automatically generates a ready to run web application. Your new project contains folders like app data for databases, app code for shared code, and web.config for settings. Each ASPX page has a C Sharp or VB.NET code behind file where your logic lies. Press F5 to run the project. The browser will open your localhost site. Notice how the default .aspx page contains HTML with ASP.NET controls. In the next module, we will dive into web controls, learning how to display data using grid view and create fully interactive web pages. Welcome to the practice task section. In this part of our learning journey, you will get hands-on experience with the ASP.NET Web Forms. These tasks are designed to help you apply what you have learned step by step and build confidence in coding. Each exercise focuses on a simple but important concept like creating pages, handling user input, connecting to a database, and building a login system. By completing these tasks, you will not only strengthen your technical skills but also develop the habit of practicing regularly, which is the key to mastering ASP.NET and SQL. Remember, every project you build here is a step toward becoming a better developer, and every minute you spend learning also supports our mission of giving back through charity. So, let us dive in, start coding, and make learning meaningful together. Alright, let us start simple. Create a new web forms project and name it First Web App. Then add a new page called About ASPX. On that page, place a label control and set its text to say Welcome to ASP.NET. Go ahead and try it now. Next, let us make our page dynamic. Add a new page called Date Time ASPX. Place a label control on it. In the page load event, write code so the label displays the current date and time. This way, every time you refresh, you will see the updated value. For the fourth task, connect your app to a database. Create a page called Employees ASPX. In SQL Server, make a table named Employees with columns ID, name, and department. Use a grid view with a SQL data source to display the records. This will show you how ASP.NET works with the SQL data. Finally, let us build a login page. Add a page called login.spx. Place text boxes for username and password and a button labeled login. When clicked, check the credentials against a user's table in SQL Server. Show a success message if login works or an error message if it fails. Congratulations on completing these practice tasks. You have built pages, handled user input, connected to a database, and even created a login system. Each of these exercises strengthens your foundation in ASP.NET and SQL. Remember, learning doesn't stop here. Keep practicing, explore advanced topics, and challenge yourself with new projects. And most importantly, every minute you spend learning with us also supports charity. Your growth is making a difference. Thank you for being part of this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, share with friends, and continue learning with the ASP.NET and SQL Academy. Together, we learn and give back.